Hello everyone. We have already seen few videos included words, singular, plural, also number names from 0 to 10. Now in this video we will see few new things how to self-introduce yourself in Hindi. When someone asks you how to introduce yourself, so how will you introduce yourself in Hindi? Spoken Hindi means how to self-introduce yourself in Hindi. So now we will see how to self-introduce yourself in Hindi. How to self-introduce yourself in Hindi. Then for it, in Hindi what it's being called as अपना अपना आत्मा परिचय दीजिए. अपना आत्मा परिचय दीजिए. Okay. So see now, in the first it's written here. You can read here. My name is Neha. My name is Neha means in Hindi मेरा नाम नेहा है. मेरा नाम नेहा है. In the next sentence, I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. मेरे 2 बहनें हैं और 3 भाई हैं. मेरे 2 बहनें हैं. मेरे 2 means 2. मेरे 2 बहनें means sisters. बहनें हैं. I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. और 3 भाई है. 3 भाई है. मेरे 2 बहनें हैं और 3 भाई है. Then the next sentence is I am 20 years old. मेरा 20 वर्ष है. मेरा 20 वर्ष है. वर्ष means years. है means है. Full stop. The fourth sentence is my father is an engineer. My father is an engineer. My father is an engineer means मेरे पिताजी अभियंता है. मेरे पिताजी मेरे पिताजी means father. मेरे means my. मेरे पिताजी अभियंता है means engineer is an engineer. मेरे पिताजी अभियंता है. Then comes the last sentence in this slide. I live in Chennai. I live in Chennai. That means in Hindi it's called मैं चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. मैं चेन्नई में रहती हूँ. If it's a girl, मैं चेन्नई में रहती हूँ. If it's a boy, मैं चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. Now in the slide the name is of a girl Neha. So that's why she will say मैं चेन्नई में रहती हूँ. If it's a boy, let's say Ravi, Shankar or some other name. So what he will say is मैं चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. मैं चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. Now we will see here once again we will recall this. My name is Neha. If a name of a girl Neha is there, how will she introduce in 5 sentences? Her name is Neha. She has 2 sisters and 3 brothers. She is 20 years old and her father is an engineer and she lives in Chennai. So see here. मेरा नाम नेहा है. मेरे 2 बहनें और 3 भाई है. मेरा 20 वर्ष है. मेरे पिताजी अभियंता है. मैं चेन्नई में रहती हूँ. If it's a girl. If it's a boy, let's say any name. Ravi, Shankar, any name. My name is Ravi. My name is Shankar. For that, मेरा नाम रवि है और मेरा नाम शंकर है. मेरे 2 बहनें और 3 भाई है. मेरा 20 वर्ष है. मेरे पिताजी is a father. मेरे पिताजी अभियंता है. मेरे पिताजी अभियंता है. मैं चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. Because it's a name of a boy, Ravi or Shankar or any other name. I live in Chennai, translated in Hindi as मैं चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. मैं चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. Now in this slide we will see few new sentences. Now see here, in the first sentence is my elder sister is a lecturer. My elder sister is a lecturer. That means मेरे बड़े बहन, मेरी you can say मेरी or मेरे, it's correct. मेरी बड़ी बहन अध्यापक है. अध्यापक means lecturer. अध्यापक means lecturer, teacher, anything. अध्यापक है. मेरी बड़ी बहन अध्यापक है. अध्यापक है. मेरी बड़ी बहन अध्यापक है. Then the next sentence is Sai is my younger brother. Sai is my younger brother. That means Sai is a name of a boy who is younger to Neha. That's the name of a girl. So Neha is introducing herself. Or you can say Ravi or Shankar or some other name of a boy is introducing himself in Hindi. So Sai is my younger brother. Sai is my younger brother in Hindi is called as Sai मेरा छोटा भाई है. If it's a boy, name of a boy, Ravi or Shankar is introducing himself. So he will say Sai मेरा छोटा भाई है. Sai, that means the name of a boy who is younger than him. Sai मेरा छोटा भाई है. If Neha is introducing herself, Sai मेरा छोटा भाई है. Because मेरा means it's representing or indicating to Sai, who is a boy. Okay. Then the next sentence is I go to school by cycle. I go to school by bicycle. I go to school by bicycle. That means मैं विद्यालय साइकिल से जाता हूँ. मैं विद्यालय साइकिल से जाता हूँ. मैं विद्यालय means school. मैं means I is representing I. मैं विद्यालय साइकिल से जाता हूँ. Then the next sentence is I get up 4 o'clock in the morning. I get up 4 o'clock in the morning. In Hindi it will be मैं सुबह के 4 बजे उठता हूँ. मैं सुबह के 4 बजे उठता हूँ. उठता हूँ. मैं, I'm going very slow. मैं सुबह means morning. मैं सुबह के 4 means 4. 4 बजे 4 o'clock means 4 बजे. उठता हूँ. उठता means woke up, get up. Okay, उठता हूँ. मैं सुबह के 4 बजे उठता हूँ. The next sentence, my aim of life is to become a doctor. My aim of life is to become a doctor. For that in Hindi it's called मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य. मेरे means my. जीवन का, जीवन means life. का means of. My जीवन, that is मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य डॉक्टर बनना है. Not doctor. In Hindi it's called doctor. Not doctor. In English it will be my aim is to become a doctor. That is my aim of life is to become a doctor. So here in Hindi when it's translated, the sentence will be or the vakya will be मेरे जीवन का, my जीवन means life, का means of, उद्देश्य means aim, doctor means the what he wants to become or what she wants to become. That is doctor, not doctor. Doctor is in English. Doctor बनना है, to become. To become means बनना है, बनना, बनना है. मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य डॉक्टर बनना है. The last sentence in this slide is my younger sister is studying in 4th standard. My younger sister is studying in 4th standard. That means मेरी छोटी बहन 4th कक्षा में पढ़ रही है. I will go slow. मेरी, as Nia is introducing herself, so she will say मेरी छोटी means younger, छोटी बहन means sister, छोटी बहन means younger sister. मेरी छोटी बहन 4th कक्षा, चौथी means 4th, कक्षा में standard, 4th कक्षा में पढ़ रही है means she is studying in 4th standard or 4th grade 4 she is studying. मेरी छोटी बहन 4th कक्षा में पढ़ रही है means she is studying now. It's a present tense. She is studying now. It's a present tense. So we will revise once again. In the first, my elder sister is a lecturer. My elder sister is a lecturer. Now this sentence I will recall as if Neha is introducing herself. As if Neha, who is a girl, she is introducing herself in Hindi. In English, the sentence is my elder sister is a lecturer. मेरी बड़ी बहन अध्यापक है. मेरी बड़ी means elder, बड़ी बहन अध्यापक है. Next comes Sai is my younger brother. Neha is introducing, remember the name of a girl, she is introducing herself. Sai is my younger brother. Sai मेरा छोटा भाई है. Sai मेरा छोटा भाई है. I go to school by bicycle. I go to school by bicycle. So मैं विद्यालय साइकिल से जाती हूँ. मैं विद्यालय साइकिल से जाती हूँ. I get up 4 o'clock in the morning. I get up or woke up. Both are same. 4 o'clock in the morning. That means मैं सुबह के 4 बजे उठती हूँ. It's a name of a girl, Neha. She is introducing. That's why I said उठती, not उठता. Okay. मैं सुबह के 4 बजे उठती हूँ. Then my aim of life is to become a doctor. मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य डॉक्टर बनना है. Then my younger sister is studying in class 4th. मेरी छोटी बहन 4th कक्षा में पढ़ रही है. मेरी छोटी बहन 4th कक्षा में पढ़ रही है. Now name of a boy. Let's say for an example any boy, Arun, Ravi, Shankar, any boy who is introducing himself. So he is saying my elder sister is a lecturer. मेरी बड़ी बहन अध्यापक है. मेरी बड़ी बहन, that is बड़ी बहन means elder sister, अध्यापक means lecturer or a teacher है. Sai is my younger brother. Sai मेरा छोटा भाई है. I go to school by bicycle. मैं विद्यालय साइकिल से जाता हूँ. I get up 4 o'clock in the morning. और I woke up 4 o'clock in the morning. मैं सुबह के 4 बजे उठता हूँ. उठता, ता here, not टी. उठता हूँ. My aim of life is to become a doctor. मेरे जीवन का उद्देश्य डॉक्टर बनना है. My younger sister is studying in class 4th or 4th standard. So the translation is मेरा और मेरी छोटी बहन 4th कक्षा में पढ़ रही है. मेरी छोटी बहन 4th कक्षा में पढ़ रही है. Now this is a quick recall of name of the girl, how she will introduce herself in Hindi. Similarly, name of a boy, how he will introduce himself in Hindi. We have seen few sentences, how will they introduce themselves. You also try your level. You also try how to make the sentences, how to introduce the sentences in Hindi. Then only you will be able to learn slowly and pick up the new language. Thank you. We will see in our next class with new sentences, few more sentences in self introduction. I will give you few more sentences how to translate the sentence, the English sentence in Hindi. Okay, we will come with few more new sentences in our next video.